Hi everyone, we're going to find the partial fraction decomposition of irreducible quadratic factors. This is our problem. This is our least common denominator. So we have to break this up to get all possible numerators that we could get given our least common denominator. The first thing we want to do is clear the fractions by multiplying each side by our least common denominator. So this will cancel and you get x squared. Then we have ax plus b. This will cancel with 1, but we're still left with x squared plus 4 squared. Two of these cancel, so you're left with cx plus d times one of these quantities, and then this whole thing cancels. So you get plus ex plus f. Alright, and the thing we have to do is distribute here. We want to match everything up, so we have to distribute that. And when you do that, you're going to get x squared equals ax plus b. So you square this number, you multiply these two, and then times 2, so that's 8x squared. Then you square the 4, and you get 16. And we can just go ahead and copy this down. Cx plus d times x squared plus 4 plus ex plus f. Alright, next, what we want to do is distribute this all out. And when you distribute it all out, you're going to get, and I'm going to go in order here. So I'm going to kind of do it where I'm going from descending order. So we have ax to the 5th. Then I want to do this one because I get x to the 4th. And then I'm going to do my 8, so that's going to be plus 8x, or 8a x cubed, plus 8bx squared, plus 16ax, and finally plus 16b. Finally, alright, and this one's going to be plus cx cubed plus dx squared, again going in descending order, plus 4cx, then plus 4d. Then we still have our plus ex plus f. And now what I want to do, make sure you write this down, because I'm going to combine I'm going to combine these two together. I'm going to combine my x squares together. I have 3 x's I'm going to combine, and I have 3 constants I'm going to combine. So you're going to combine all that together, and when you do that, you're going to get, I'm going to move it over, I'll just put it here. So we have ax to the 5th plus bx to the 4th plus 8a plus c, and I'm pulling out that x cubed, plus 8b plus d x squared. Then we have plus 16a plus 4c plus e times x, and our constant would be 16b plus 4d plus f. Now, on the right side of the equation, we had x squared. So if I write all this out, we had the x squared. So if you write it out, that means you have a 0x to the 5th plus 0x to the 4th. Let me read this out. Plus 0x cubed plus 1x squared plus 0x plus 0 times the constant, so it's just plus 0. So basically we're going to set this to 0. So the x to the 5th is 0, 0, x cubed is 0, x squared is 1, then we have 0 and 0. So from here we know that our a is 0, So we have A is 0, B is 0, but here we have 8A plus C equals 0. For this one we have 8B plus D equals 0, or 1. This one we have 16A plus 4C plus E equals 0. And for this one, we have 16B plus 4D plus F equals 0. Now, we know that A is 0 and B is 0, so I'm going to cross those out. A is 0, B is 0. Anything with the A and B I'm crossing out, because that's going to 0 out. So now we know right away that C equals 0, D equals 1. So if C is 0, that can cross out. So we also know that E is 0. And the only thing I have to do is this one. So I'm going to plug in my 1 for D. So you have 4 times 1 plus F equals 0. So F equals negative 4. And there's our solutions here and there. And then you just plug it back in. So we're going to get x squared over x squared plus 4 cubed. I'll go ahead and write this out. Ax plus b over x squared plus 4 plus cx plus d divided by x squared plus 4 squared plus ex plus f over x squared plus 4 cubed. Now we know that a and b is both 0, so that's going to be 0 over that, so we didn't really need that. We just had to place it there. We also know that my c was 0, my d was 1, so we're going to get this as 1 divided by x squared plus 4 squared. I also know my e was 0, so that's going to 0 out, but my f was negative 4. So that's going to be plus negative 4 divided by x squared plus 4 cubed. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.